Hi, I'm Rob, and this is video 5 of 5 in our Getting Started with Pages series, Search Engine Optimization Fields for a Page. In the first 4 tutorials of this series, we looked at how to add a page, move that page around our website, make changes to that page including editing content blocks, and then hiding and deleting that page. There were a few fields in the Pages module that we didn't look at, and I'd like to cover those now in this final tutorial. Much of the content of this tutorial is for advanced users only, but it's helpful to know that these options are there. We want to log back into our admin control panel, so click the Back to Admin link in the footer of your site. And because we're talking about pages, we need to select Pages from the top of the admin control panel. I'm going to look at the standard features page, which I had already created for this website, because it's a good example of the SEO fields. The page title was the standard title of the page. We created one of these when we added our website page in the tutorial steps earlier, and we didn't change any of the SEO options. This is the default page title. The URL slug in the SEO options determines the address of the page. The navigation title gives you a different title which you can use in your navigation. In this example, the page title is Standard Features Included for £24 per month. The URL slug I wanted to be a bit snappier for printed material, so I changed it to Features. And the navigation title I changed to Standard Features because I wanted it to be as clear as possible on the website, but without taking up as much room as it would have done if it had Included for £24 per month in the main navigation. For the H1 title, I've gone with Standard Features, just £24 per month. This is the title that appears at the top of your page above the text, and I thought it looked a bit neater in brackets. There's also strong SEO reasons for getting the H1 title right on your page. The meta description is a brief description of your page that is sometimes used by some search engines and directories when giving a summary of your page, and the meta keywords are also used in this context. Neither of these are displayed on your website in a visible way, but they are there behind the scenes. The final field is a thumbnail image for Facebook, etc. This field allows you to specify an image which is used by social media websites such as Facebook when you're sharing this page. This is particularly important if you want to make your social media presence a bit more snappy. It would probably help if you could see what all of these fields look like on the page. So I'm going to click View this page so I can show you. Right at the top here, we have the original page title. If we hadn't changed any of the other SEO fields, this would have been used throughout. After our address, in the address bar, you'll see the URL slug that we specified. Standard Features here is the navigation title for the page, whereas Standard Features just £24 per month was the H1 title, the header 1 title that we specified. If we have a look behind the scenes at the source code of the site, you will see your meta description and your meta keywords are all visible. It's not necessary to use these search engine optimization fields on every page of your website, but if you or someone else is optimizing your website for search engines, they're an extremely powerful and useful tool. We hope you've enjoyed this series of tutorials and that you found them helpful in getting used to your user-friendly website platform.